up, gang? You back in the cup with your girl? Y'all.
And your boy TJ, and we back with another motherfucking video. Today's video is...
Y'all see me in a different location in the kitchen, so y'all know what that means. Whipping and flipping them bricks. Hey, whipping and flipping them bricks. Say no, but today we're doing a cooking video. We're doing an appetizer because it's not like doing all that. Say no, but...
So you telling me when you go to the restaurant, you don't order that spinach artichoke dip?
You most definitely do. So that's what we're making today. We're making our spinach artichoke dip. We also have tortilla chips, but we also have we're gonna be doing a pita bread because y'all know like at Black Rock they be having like the pita bread. Slap. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing that. So we're gonna have all the clips of me doing like the preparation and stuff. So yeah. But before we get into the video, I want you to like, share, comment, subscribe, put your phones in, put your wallet. Say now, put your phones up and hit that post notification bell so you can be
notified when we post another video.
I was about to say so you can be subscribed. But yeah, subscribe. Like I need my followers.
Where are you?
You already watching the video. You might as well just...
I see your ass high. You might as well press the button.
Period. But yeah, so yep. So we're gonna just get into this video or whatever. So. So these are all of our ingredients that we will be putting inside of the spinach artichoke dip. So we got Parmesan, I don't know how to say that word, y'all. Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, and then I just wanted triple cheddar. I just feel like I needed that in there too, period. We got the artichoke hearts. We got the fresh garlic. We have the cream cheese. We have the pita bread. We have our spinach. And we have our tortilla chips. Oh, I also think I'm going to add some sour cream also. And I think that's it. So these are all of the ingredients that we're using to make our spinach artichoke dip. It's gonna be really good. But yeah, so yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. So we about to get into starting to make it. Okay, so I'm gonna add the spinach into the water. Some people do they buy the frozen spinach and just unthaw it and then let it drain, but I'm gonna actually have fresh spinach because you know we that one never that too. So I'm gonna put like half of, oops, I'm dropping it everywhere. I'm gonna put like this much. And if I need some more, then I'm gonna just put some more. But so we're gonna let that cook down for like 7 minutes, and then we're gonna let it drain, and then we're gonna squeeze all the excess water out because you want it to be completely dry. So yeah, so that's the next step. So period. So I ended up just adding the whole thing of spinach to it because y'all know spinach be like cooking down so little. So I just went on ahead and sorry y'all. I just went on ahead and did that. So you just literally let this cook for like 6 to 7 minutes. You know, it don't take that long to shrivel down. And then you just take it out. We're gonna drain it. We're gonna rinse it like I told y'all already. And do all that good stuff. But I just wanted to let y'all know that I did add the whole box, whatever it is, to a container. So yeah. Okay, so as y'all can see, it like shrivels down to like not that much, but this is gonna be just enough for the little amount that I'm making. But yeah, so that's how it ended up looking. Then I'm straining it and I'm gonna dry it off a little bit more so it can be straight dry. And yeah, so now I'm about to get into cutting the garlic up and our pita bread and our artichoke hearts. And then after that, we're gonna do the last of mixing like everything together. And yeah, so Yep. All right, so we're about to cut up the garlic. So you can really put whatever you desire in it. I like garlic, so I might put a decent little amount. Y'all, to be honest, I don't even think I know how to do this shit. I think you're supposed to do something like that. I always be getting a garlic that's already in the jar. I should have just got that, but I wanted to be fancy. I low-key don't even know how to do this. Yeah, you're supposed to do something like that so you can crack this stuff open. Yep. Hold on, I'm getting there. Something like that. So then you just cut them to like mincing them basically. I don't be trying to get too close to my fingers, cause baby.
I'm gonna be cracking now.
Y'all, I'm over here trying to be fancy and do this when I could have just got the little garlic that already be in there. But I feel like fresh garlic is just gonna make it taste so much better. Yeah. Yeah, that junk is strong. Yeah, so I might have to cut like a couple of more cloves.
How is it, Troy? How is it?
But yeah, so y'all get the point. I'm not gonna like record the whole process of me cutting all of this up. But yeah, so we just gonna cut this up and pretty much. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the pita bread and cut it into, you know, like the little thing how the restaurants be, because we gonna fry them. I'm gonna fry some, but I'm gonna keep some like regular. But y'all know that junk be tasting so good. If y'all ever went to Black Rock and they had like the little pita bread and they fry them, and so it got that little crisp, but it still be so slap. So I'm gonna just cut some of these. Why are you screaming? Well. Period. So yeah. So yep, that's this step. And I guess I'm gonna try to fry them. See how it comes out. These are little scraps. But yeah, so these are the I know you lying. Is that mold?
That's from the bag.
Oh. But yeah, so yeah, this is just the pita bread that I cut up. I might do a little bit more. We gonna fry this, and yeah, period. I had to come in on the video real quick because I realized when I was like about to edit it that I kept saying fried. Yeah, it was not frying it. Sorry, we're not trying to make tortilla chips. So yeah, it was baking. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna bake them. We're gonna put them in the oven and we're gonna bake them until they get a little crisp. And my dog is about to get slapped. She over here harassing a groundhog. But yeah, bake y'all. Okay, so I poured the juice out of the artichoke hearts. So I'm gonna just take these out and just put them up just to make it, you know, spread out more in the artichoke dip. Braylon in the back throwing his toy around. Ooh. I would never eat this if I didn't eat it. No, I'm not gonna. That feel nasty.
Like a blood on.
No. Some of this you gotta cut because it's like hard pieces. You don't even know because you ain't even ever had these without artichoke dip.
I've had them straight from when you break
You
them
eat
off
them
the
regular?
can. Yeah, so you dip them
Taste
in the
one right
butter.
now. I prepped everything already, so
Everything is already prepped.
this stuff right here is the pita bread. Boom. Y'all, I don't want y'all to see my whole. Y'all already done seen it. Oh well. We got our spinach.
The
and
spinach.
dressing.
The spinach.
But yeah, I got a hole in my leggings and I ain't feel like taking them off, so I said so. Y'all act like y'all ain't never had a hole in y'all leggings. Quit judging
She
me.
got shot in the ass. Bah.
Shut up. Anyway, so we're gonna sprinkle it with the olive oil and put a little salt on it. We got our garlic.
Go ahead.
We got our cut and drained artichoke hearts.
Artichoke hearts.
We got the mozzarella and we got the parmesan.
Look, y'all, when she told me to go to the store and get the artichoke hearts, I thought she was I thought it was a typo. My artichoke hearts. What the hell?
And then I just wanted to add some of this cheese because I don't know, because I put my own spin on it now. Let me ask some questions.
Don't do it.
Got the black pepper, garlic powder. We got the paprika.
A house in the house without salt and pepper.
Right. Got a little sour cream,
Sour cream made.
salt, the olive oil, butter.
Philadelphia.
Period. So yep, we about to get into like making this now, basically.
Yes.
So we gonna turn the camera over here. Y'all can see Braylon. So we gonna turn this to like 7. Y'all can see me. Period.
Okay.
So he's gonna be my assistant. So now he's just gonna help pass me all of the things that I need. So the first ingredient I will need is the butter. So guys, he's gonna pass me up all of the ingredients and stuff.
What's the whole thing?
No, not the whole thing.
Well, I heard you sound like you.
So I'm gonna put like half of this in there. Yo, you know what? I'll do that. What? No, I'll do that.
What's your?
Excuse me. So yeah, I see that's melting up a little bit. So we just gonna move that around a little bit. Move y'all just a tad bit closer so y'all can see. Cause y'all, this is so easy that my head gonna be cut off, but it's real easy. So there's no slap.
Mm-hmm.
That's just on period.
Here we are.
Oh my god. At this point so yeah, we just letting the butter melt down. Just letting the butter melt down a little bit. Cause we're gonna cook the Ma, you in my video. So we're just gonna cook down the butter and then we're gonna put the
What would you like next, man?
we're going to put the
The garlic in first.
yep, the garlic. I'm gonna add just a little bit
How
more.
much? Let me know when you sprinkle. Woo! It does smell like garlic.
Dog, he irritated me. He thought this garlic smell like garlic. Okay, so you can hand me the you can go ahead and pour it in. You feel like you really? Let me
Yeah.
scrape it.
Yeah, I got you.
That was your
Yeah.
I wonder where it went. I didn't.
So we're just gonna move this around a little bit, but I'm gonna put that on right now. I feel like a Chef Borayani. Okay, clearly I don't know what I'm doing. Saying all y'all. I think I might have got it down a little bit too low. Or maybe it just taking too long for me. Yeah, so I just turned it up a little high just to cook this in a little bit. So you got the butter. So next, we're going to add in the spinach.
Oh, at least one.
But you're in my video, keep talking, Mom. Alright, boom. So we added the spinach. Dang. Where is the spinach? Cookie, ain't nobody thinking about you. Ain't nobody studying you. Alright. So, next, we're going to get our seasonings. So pass me the seasonings, and I'm gonna season the this. So first I'm gonna add. We got a little paprika. We have a little garlic powder. We have a little salt. And we have some ground pepper. Can you give me the rest of that butter? So we're gonna put the rest of this stick in there. So we're gonna add like things in moderation. So like when I add like the cream cheese, just so you can see how much like how creamy you want it to be and stuff like that. Okay, so the next thing you could give me is the artichoke hearts. Can you also look inside of the refrigerator and see if we have some like lemon or lime? Yeah, give me that.
It's like literally spraying nothing for your video.
I don't need that much.
Oh, okay.
It's just a little bit. Open it for me, please. So yeah, we're gonna take that around a little bit. Add just a little bit of lime. Splash that with lime juice. And then you pass me, I'm gonna season it just a little bit more.
Oh.
Season it just a little bit more. So just a little bit, not too much, because we already added a good amount. But you know, me, I like to have myself very flavorful. So
Olive oil?
that's it.
Okay.
Nope. And then now could you give me the yep?
There we go.
And we could just put the whole thing in the action.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking
So I'm gonna just keep moving this around because I don't want it to burn or anything.
Woo.
Make sure we get it all.
Definitely.
And make sure y'all.
I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't mean to get in y'all way.
Make sure y'all take it out of the refrigerator and like let it be like room temperature so it can like be kind of soft, so it don't be all hard.
Scrape that. That's it all with it.
Okay. Could you give me a sour cream? Oh, and we got our oven already preheated to 375. So when we get done with this, we're gonna put it in the oven for about 15 minutes or until it brown, basically. So just squeeze a little sour cream in there. Okay. Just gonna add moderation.
What else would you like, ma'am?
Next is gonna be the cheese. I think that's our last little thing. So I might add a little milk to it too, just to
Grab it.
loosen it up just a little bit.
You good, boy?
Huh? Yeah, he was just wilding on the show.
Well, wait.
Right, wilding.
On the way with the cheese now.
I think we might have a smaller bowl, smaller than that. So now we're about to add the cheese in, you guys. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit because it's cooking a little. Oh man. I ain't doing it like that.
Oh, you got it.
You gotta, oh, sorry. Just put some in, like I said, in moderation. But you still want to leave some to put on the top. Okay. It's the I cannot say that. Parmesan. Cheese. I like myself cheesy. He's a cheese head. We a cheese head together.
Where's some cheese heads?
So
This ain't Green Bay Packers though.
we're gonna add kind of a lot of cheese. And then, like I said, I wanted to put my own little twist on it. So I wanted triple cheddar in it also. Okay, could you give me the milk?
The milk?
Yes.
It's right here.
We're just gonna add just a little bit of milk in there just to loosen it up a little bit. It's kind of thick. Wait, I might need more, so just leave it out. Real creamy and cheesy. Milk.
Let me know when to stop.
It's good.
Next.
That's pretty much it.
Now you want me to find a small bowl?
Look at the top.
Yes, I see it.
And you see how. Okay. Ask Mama, can I go in the oven? Ask Mama, can I go in the oven? But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. It's really, really cheesy. As you can see.
Say yeah.
Okay.
All right, man.
You think this how it be looking?
Hell yeah.
Right. So now we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it inside the bowl.
You want to come there or I come there? You can come right here.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit of sour cream. I added just a tad of more sour cream. Excuse me. So this is how it looks. So hopefully it's not too small. This might be it's gonna feel all the way to the rim. I don't know, man.
What's wrong, man? What do you have?
I was saying I don't know if this is
Oh?
fit.
No, we should just cut this one. I thought that looked like it was all it was gonna finish. Or did it? Oh shit. Hey man. Chicken, man.
I'm sorry, I tasted it.
You're chicken, man.
So this is like a little extra on the side. So we can just do that. Trying to pack it as much, but I don't want it to.
Oh, so yeah, leave it right there. Would you like me to olive oil the bread?
Yes.
Okay.
Just sprinkle. Not like
Wait. Ooh.
you
No,
want to.
I want you to do it because I don't know what to do.
Okay, and then we're gonna add more cheese on top. I might have overtold it, y'all, but hopefully you know. We're gonna put it in a pan. Get another pan. Like from down here. gonna top it off with some Parmesan.
Parmesan.
Cheese. Clearly be some cheese heads. Look how much cheese I put.
Put it right here. Dun, 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 dun. It's a cheese.
And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it in the oven.
Put it in the oven, let it bake, bake, bake.
And we're gonna let that, I'm gonna put it for, I'm gonna say 8 minutes. And then I'm gonna just keep checking it.
Okay, just come back over here.
Yep.
Boom. Olive oil
So
to
you
bread.
wanna lightly, you don't wanna do too much.
Give it a swing, man. Oh yeah, let you do it.
You really don't wanna like pour too much. Just get them a little lightly coated.
I feel the one that come out real thin, it'll be easier. But it got a little hole, bigger hole.
Yeah, I'm trying not to pour too much. But I'm trying to make sure I get, oh shit, I poured kind of a lot on that. But, okay, well, I'm gonna just kind of dap it in. You know, just to get them a little wet. Little wet. Don't judge my hoe. And I'm gonna still keep wearing these ladies because of. Alright, come on now. Fuck it. That's how I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna just dabble in together.
Big damn.
Because some of them are like sitting on top of each other.
Yeah.
Because I didn't feel like getting a hold of the pan, so. We just gonna do it like that. Just make sure all of them got like a little something on it.
Little something,
So it
something.
ain't just like no dry bread in there. That's on period. Cool. And then we gonna lightly salt it. I'm talking about lightly salt. Look how much salt I just put on it. Salt bake. Just a little bit. Okay. So then we're gonna take these. I'm gonna try to spread them on as evenly as possible. I might have put a little bit too much salt on this bed. I don't know.
Too much salt.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
doesn't feel salty.
That's cool.
Not
Because it's the artichoke dip going even out.
We're gonna add them right next to the artichoke dip. Yeah, already looks about to overflow. So we're gonna be back when everything is done and show y'all the end result. So yeah, period. So this is the outcome. It's all oozing off the side, and this is the bread. Looks the same, but it's like got a little crunch to it, but still soft. So yeah, we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna taste it. All right, y'all. So everything is done. We got our chips. We got that, and that. We're gonna taste it now, basically. So let's try it.
Let's try it.
Well, we let this sit, so the cheese at the top is kind of.
We probably gotta get something to dip it in.
The cheese at the top is not as melted. We should have did it when we first took it out.
Oh shit. Is that real cheese? Oh no, I got some.
That's just...
Damn.
Get him. We about to split it all in.
Mm-hmm.
I'm mad, y'all, because we couldn't get that cheese pour. So he let it sit for a while. I'm mad. But the actual spinach dip is so good.
Oh my god, y'all. What's I put? What up there? Why, hey there.
We need to stir the top cheese in so it can melt. So, what is your review? I know too.
Hold on.
I know he tall.
Hold on, let me get the chain right. Hold on. Excelente. Magnifico. Buenos dias.
Bueno.
Scrumptious. What's my other one? Hey,
Delicioso.
all that. Scrumptious though, that's the favorite right there.
You think something could have been better?
We could have made it a little more. If we'd have like made it a little more, it's like not loose, but
Creamier?
we got premium. That's all I'm looking for.
I think it's creamy. But I get what you're saying.
Most definitely.
Yeah.
Bro,
This is so good. That's all I gotta say. I feel like I did good. Well, we did good. Technically, I did good.
you see. Come on.
10 out of 10 to me.
Come back right here. So hey, Throw it. Gonna fly?
Yes, so y'all. Oh, it's hot. We got to exit this video out because I'm trying to smash. This stuff is too good.
Most definitely.
So,
To end it out, you already know what time it is. Get him away from here. What? No.
like, share, comment, subscribe, y'all. I'm actually not even paying attention to this video anymore because I'm ready to eat. So I want you to like, share, comment, subscribe. Do I have this stuff?
Put your phones
Yeah,
up.
that was the end of our video.